हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आपका फिर से स्वागत है आपके चैनल हिंदी विद हर्षा पर। दिस इज़ पार्ट 3 ऑफ द वीडियो हाउ टू रीड हिंदी वर्ड्स। इफ़ यू हैवेंट सीन पार्ट 1 and part 2 of the video, link is given in description. Go and watch the video first. So I have talked about the vowel sign of re, and this is the time for vowel sign a. So let's understand it with an example. Anek, this is a, this is ne, this is a, and this is ke. So anek, anek. Anek means many in English. Ked, this is ke. This is vowel sign of big A. It is too strong from little a, and it is there. So ke a there. Ked. You are seeing a difference here. It is because of this is big A here. Ked means imprisoned in English. Now we are taking vowel sign of O here. Let's understand with an example. Oakley. This is a. This is vowel sign of O. This is khe. This is le, and this is vowel sign of big E. So O k le e. Oakley. Oakley means oak in English. Now we are taking vowel sign of O. Here is an example for it. Aurat. This is a. This is vowel sign of O. This is re, and this is te. So o, re, te. Aurat. It means woman in English. As you can see, ang has two vowel sign. We will discuss about these two with example. First one is ang. This is a. This is vowel sign of ang, and this is ge. So ang. Ang means body parts in English. Second one is aag. This is a. This is second vowel sign of ang, and this is khe. So aakh. Aakh means eye in English. So now we are taking our last vowel sign aha. Let's understand it with an example. Ate. This is a. This is te, and this is vowel sign of ahe. So e te he. Athe. Athe means so in English. Now I have a task for you on the basis of which you have studied on my channel. This woman is beautiful. Translate this in Hindi and comment your answer below. Now I have some tips. It will help you to translate this in Hindi. Beautiful means sundar. This means yeh in Hindi. Please comment your answer below because it gives me motivation that others are learning from my video. If your answer is wrong, I'll help you to make it correct. You can comment below if you want that I make video on your desired topic. Till then, keep learning and take care of yourself. Thank you.